Welcome guys, this is infinix X687B model. Apply heat with the heat gun on the back cover. Remember, do not overheat. With blade, make space between back cover and body. With the help of X-ray film, remove the back cover as showing in this video. Remove all the screws from body. Remove barcode from the battery. Remove tape and free to fingerprint flex from the battery. Now remove inner body. Be careful while removing the inner body. Fingerprint scanner is connected with the inner body. Remove screws from camera protection cover. Now remove camera protection cover. Remove fingerprint scanner flex connector from the board. Remove protection tape. Remove barcode from the battery. Insert gasoline on the X-ray film and remove the battery as showing in the video. Do not damage the flexes, so be careful while using X-ray film. Flexes are under the battery. Remove LCD flex connector from the main board. Apply heat on the LCD glass. Remember, do not overheat on the LCD. Now with blade make space between LCD glass and body. Remove LCD with X-ray. Do not damage LCD flex while removing the LCD. Clean place of the LCD glass around the body. Apply gum around the LCD on the glass. Make sure do not apply gum on the sensors and earpiece mesh place. Install earpiece mesh. Install LCD panel in the body. Connect LCD display flex connector to the main board. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector to the main board. Put protection tape on the battery. Connect fingerprint scanner flex connector to the main board. Install camera protection cover. Put back screws on the camera protection cover. Install inner body. Insert SIM tray. Put back screws in the body. Apply gum on the place of back cover on the body. Now install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Power on the phone and check LCD display and touch working. Thank you for watching.